Hello, my name is Russell Myers. Welcome to Issues Unite. Pardon my hoarse voice. I went to karaoke last night. It was it was a slow night for singers, and I wound up singing a lot more than yeah was good for my voice. I knew I was going to be pretty hoarse today. Yeah, but you know, but if I didn't sing, nobody would have been singing at some points. Yeah. So yeah, if that happened, then honestly, eventually, it's a bar and a bowling alley. Eventually, what would happen would be that they would cancel the show, which would adversely affect the income of the KJ and the bartendress and the snack bar personnel. So, I mean, there were people there, but they were not singing. So, so I took up the slack, and my voice is kind of feeling that. Anyway, all right. I have talked about automation a number of times, both written and on this channel. And the relationship to the rhetoric that is pushed around about unions and and federal job guarantees. Well, here is the fact. This year has been a big push for corporations. If you notice, in the last few months, there has been a big push. I mean, they are on turbo, nitros, you know, going toward automation. Well, that's because of what happened this year with the pandemic and lockdowns and people not being able to work. So, what is this has illustrated is that if companies don't start automating, then if something like this comes up, there was already a big push for it. I mean, there are big benefits to corporations and companies that automate as much as possible. Robots can work 24/7. If a robot is on a continuous power supply, it'll work 24/7. The other ones, they just have to stop and recharge now and then. So they one robot will replace at least 4 to 6 jobs. I brought this up with, self check aisles. One self check aisle eliminates, 4 to 6 jobs. Well, the same is true with everything else. We see a push for robots in fast food, even cooking your food. We see a push for um, automated farm equipment. So, what is eventually going to happen here? Aside from very limited industries, let's say your grocery store, when you got automated farm equipment on the farm, it tells the machines how hard is this. Machines that till the soil, plant the seeds, water on a schedule. Then you got automated harvesting equipment. With automated vehicles, you're going to have the automated farm equipment load the produce onto an automated truck, take it to a warehouse or to a processing plant, which food processing has been more and more automated through the years. I know somebody on Facebook, a friend on Facebook, that, she works in food processing, and she has seen how much of the industry is being automated. So you've got the trucks that deliver it to a processing plant. An automated device comes and unloads the truck, loads it into automated equipment. It's automatically turned into whatever product, automatically packaged. Then another device comes along, packs it onto a truck, takes it to an automated warehouse. We've already seen Amazon has whole warehouses that are run by robots now, and this is becoming a norm, So then from the warehouse, another robot takes stuff and loads it onto trucks to send to individual locations, goes on to another autonomous truck. We've already got autonomous trucks that are already being tested on our highways right now. So the truck drives it to the store. The store, another robot unloads it, puts things on the shelf. Then you make your order. And this year has been a big push toward that. You order your groceries online. There's no human contact. It just automatically sends your order to the store. Your credit or debit card is charged. Then the computer at the store sends your order to a robot in the store that goes and pulls your order from the shelves. And by the end, Walmart is looking at automated delivery systems. So the robot pulls your order, packages it up, puts it on an autonomous vehicle to deliver to your door. And by the way, Amazon is also looking at an additional step that brings your order from the vehicle to your front door. Or we're going to have drones that deliver your order to your front door. All you've got to do is go open the door and pick it up. So this is what we are looking at for a future. What does that mean? We've already seen more and more over the years. The Auto Workers Union is a shadow of what it used to be. Steel manufacturing is automated. Auto manufacturing is automated. The companies don't have to worry about any pandemic. They don't have to worry about illness. They don't have to worry about injury. They don't have to worry about workman's comp. They don't have to worry about PTO or sick time or anything else along those lines. The robots are never going to strike to demand a raise or worker safety. If a robot gets injured, gets damaged, you replace parts, you fix it or replace parts, and believe me, they're going to be having robots that fix other robots. We already have robots that are building other robots, and we have computers that are programming computers. Basically, this is Skynet. So where do workers' unions come into play here? They don't. So when politicians are talking about being pro-union or in favor of a federal jobs guarantee, then it's a red herring. The government cannot guarantee jobs that do not exist. Yeah, They can say that they're for unions all they want to, but if there are no workers to unionize, there is no union. This is a red herring that is meant to divert your attention. You're not paying attention to what's going on and how much it has accelerated because of this year. It was already accelerating, but now it is exponential just how much it is being sped up. People need to start thinking about these things. There's so many people that say they're against a universal basic income, but when there are no jobs, how are people going to survive? All right. Think about this. You can automate everything all you like, but when nobody can buy anything because they have no income, what happens then? All right. Please share this video. Think about these subjects. Talk about these subjects. And if you can, please donate $1 a month to help expand the channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.